Hello everyone. I just wanted to show that I finished a small cross stitch project, and I'm going to do this video on how to wash it to get the ink out. This is a printed cross stitch, so the design was printed on the canvas, and this is the color key on the side. This is washable ink, and it is completed with the back stitch as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is run some warm water. You don't want it to be too hot. These are 100% cotton, and the threads are cotton as well, so cotton will shrink. It's a little too hot. Let me go. Just lukewarm. Okay. Now you can use just about any kind of soap. This didn't get very dirty. I didn't get, since it's a small design, it's not like I got like oil from my hands all over or anything, so I'm not going to use the Dawn. I'm going to use this. You don't really need that much. This is like a natural biodegradable kind of soap, Miss Meyer's. Okay, that should do it. Just gonna go ahead and push that in there. It takes a few minutes, but all of this ink should wash out, and I probably will change the water twice to rinse it. See, it's starting to come out. I'm just going to let this soak, and I'll come back and check on it in a few minutes. Okay, so it's been soaking about 25 minutes. I'm just going to drain the water and give it a rinse. Make sure those little pink squares near the bottom came out. That took the longest. So I'm just going to give it a good rinse and let it soak in some clear water for about 5 minutes. Okay, I only had to rinse this once. All of the ink is out. There was 2 pink bars on the sides. Those took a little bit of scrubbing just like that. So what you want to do now is you don't want to wring this out or scrunch it up because you'll ruin your stitches. So just kind of let it drip dry. Shake it a little bit and then lay it on a towel. I'll show you the back of it. So you just want to lay it on a towel and sort of press the extra water out or roll it up. If this was bigger, I would probably roll it up to absorb the water. Okay, so it's pretty just damp now. It's not going to take that long to dry. And I may or may not run a warm iron over it. Probably not right now, before I frame it. This is going to need like a 5x7 frame. So that's what the stitching looks like up close. And this was all blue background, the printing, and it looks like it all came out. So that's it. I'm going to let it sit here and dry. It's going to rain, otherwise I would kind of hang this outside for a little bit, but it's almost dry anyway. What I will do is just put it on a warmer, listen to me, a drier part of the towel. There we go. So that's it. That's a finished cross-stitch piece and how to wash it out. Now, this was a small one. If you had a large piece, which I have a pretty large piece I'm going to be ending up washing soon here, it's the same process, but it may have to be rinsed more because there's more ink coming off of the larger ones. So that's about it. Don't be afraid to use some soap, even Dawn soap. Some people I have heard even put these in the washing machine. I wouldn't do that because this is hours of stitching, so I wouldn't want to take a chance on my stitches coming out. So all done. Finally got one completed project. Near the end of the month I will be updating on some of the projects I did for June. And this will be one of them. Hopefully I'll have a frame by then for it, and this is going to be hanging up in my kitchen by my coffee pot. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching.